Hold on, Emma. And this is Captain Buck. Another day on the Pacific Ocean with my friend Emma. And the film is coming up. Okay. I'm weird. Oh, okay, we're going along the beach. Checking out some stuff. A lot of footprints. Dry sand. Oh God. Emma. It is high tide at the moment. And it is going to touch our feet. Oh, that was so cool, Emma! Did you see that? The fire went inside your footprints! And I do not know what that is. Oh, it's a rock. What? Yep, definitely high tide.
Weird in
What is that?
I don't know.
Ew, that's disgusting.
What do you think it is?
It's glue from a jellyfish. I'm guessing. Whoa. Yep, definitely high tide. Lots of rocks. Beautiful view. And you didn't touch me. It's kind of like a game. Very beautiful. Isn't that cool? Watch. This is soft.
Champ, watch the way. Here it comes. Oh, darn it, that was kind of low.
Emma, you're gonna die when that wave hits you. Oh, look! Woo!
Did it say bye, Emma, when the waves hits you?
Maybe. Woo! Soft and smooth. Okay, hold on. I gotta make something to humiliate my friend. Hopefully the water will wash it up. Emma, you stepped all over it! There's gonna be a heart with her name and a ball she likes at school's name in it. I love to do it. What? I'm taking a video! Emma! Emma! What do you mean I can't take a picture?
No, I said she's taking a picture.
Okay. Emma!
No, never mind.
Emma! This is going on YouTube! You're like smooth, man. Let me go up to the rocks and get a picture, or a video of you. She's weird. What up, YouTube? So it is sometime. What? What the heck are you doing? Smooth, man. Home! First, hold on, I'm gonna make a heart. I'm gonna try to, unless she steps in it. No! Don't! Oh, Emma, you got mud on my camera. And in my hair. Hold on. I'll be a minute. She's gonna hate me. Sassy pants.
No, I was just joking.
What are you doing? Ticket for Britain. Top off, yeah. Yeah. Surfing in the USA. Oh, sound good to me.
You got a little something right there.
Oh, yeah, that's the dart that you flung in my face, girl. She is a weirdo. She has situations that no one can ever be able to scientifically explain.
You need to make it funny.
Make it funny, then. Really? Oh, that's so funny, Emma.
Come on, Catherine, we really gotta catch a wave together.
Catch a wave? We're going surfing?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, we're going surfing! Oh, You almost peed your pants. You are a weirdo. Weirdos do not understand the world. It's coming for ya.
Yeah, it's coming for you. Yeah, it's coming for you.
I just felt kelp hit my foot. Shoot. There's my half-made heart. There's my full-made heart. I'm terrible at making hearts. What is your problem? Emma, you're such a weirdo. I love her to death. She's the bestest friend ever.
Look at the other beach.
There's like water. I'll probably be back with another episode for you, YouTube. But in the meantime, everything will be touching Emma's feet.
Really, Catherine?
Good night, YouTube. Look at her throwing the fit. Oh, shoot. Bye.